Hello everyone, welcome to Bob Bini channel. Today we will talk about Canva. Canva is an Australian graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentation posters, documents, and other visual content, and many more. You can find about it in Wikipedia. Now we will go and we'll explain what is Canva. Canva, as I said, is a platform for design, posters, like that. It is for video, presentation, logo, Instagram post, flyer, resume, poster, certificate, brochure, letter, newsletter, Facebook post, your story, report, desktop wallpaper, YouTube thumbnail, business cards, graph, planner, photo collage, Facebook cover, menu, proposal, card, invoice, etc. And here you can find is here as well presentation, social media, video, marketing, office, and more. You can click here to see more. Here we find home templates. You can click here to see templates. It will go to templates. We'll, so as not to waste time, we'll turn back. It will explain here. You can click uh, now in the official here template. You can see here many then social media, personal, business, marketing. You can choose whatever you would like to choose. And here features, you can find features whatever you would like to choose. Download Canva. Because I have Canva Pro, I have many more options than Canva for free. You can use Canva for free, but some pictures or some template you cannot use because it is for pro. You can learn about Canva here. Here you will find your project. If you make a project, you find here. For example, this is my project. That's what we will see. And templates. Here we find templates. Uh, we wait till we open. This is template. You can make educational video and choose whatever you would like to make or to design. Okay. Canva, as I said, it is now renowned worldwide. You can create a shirt for with you. You can create a team and make it here. Here, those are for pro. Will You can choose between those templates. As I said, you can choose between templates here or begin from here or from here or begin from scratch. Here I will create a design like that. You can choose from here video, presentation, logo, Instagram post, flyer, resume, poster, etc. Whatever you would like to choose, and so on, so and so forth. And or you can begin from scratch to custom edit a photo, import a file, or custom size. Here begin from scratch. I will make the size with pixel, inch, millimeter, centimeter. We will choose inch, for example, 4 to 4 inch. This is an example. It is untitled design. We'll make our design title our design here. We can presentation school. This is an example name. Here you go. You can choose from here any template you would like to choose, a video, any template, and you can make whatever you would like to do. I will show you something that is here. For example, this is Pro. Because I have a Pro, I can use it. Look at it. If you don't have a Pro, you cannot use it. You can here change whatever you would like to choose. For example, you can change the. This is only a photo, not a video. You can change, for example, present presentation. This is another. You can choose the color. Choose the color. You can make it small because it's presentation. This is an example. You can modify more and more here and here and here if you don't like, and the picture as well. You can choose it, can delete it and make another one. All can be modified. What I would like to you can all that can be. You can share it. You can share it from here. You can share so some if you all down and download. This is the main thing that all people would like to do. Here share on social media. For example, this is all social media that Canva cooperate with and more. You can find many more options and icons that you can use from Canva. I hope you you enjoy my video. If you like my video, could you like and subscribe? And I hope you the best. See you later.